Today I am going to teach how to prepare mushroom curry with defined herbs for chronic kidney diseases and liver cirrhosis and dilated cardiomyopathy, and even it can be used by other patients also to pump easily digestible protein for nourishing the cells. Particularly for kidney patients and liver cirrhosis patients, it's really, it acts like diuretic nature also, because in this mushroom curry, the defined herbs like ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander, so all these leaves are having medicinal value, including mint leaves also. And preparation is very simple. As usual, making paste and marinating with mushroom and putting few drops ghee or butter for tempering, and put green chilies and onion, and after that you put all the ingredients with the quantity, whatever the water which required, without putting salt, and prepare it, and thereafter according to the requirement, in 1 gram salt it has to be managed for each meal. So this is the way in which this mushroom has to prepare, and you can download the PDF in the description, and meticulously you can prepare, and also you can change according to your taste and your recipes. Thank you.